What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me, my friends. Welcome in on this lovely, lovely Sunday. So we have a pretty packed agenda. We're going to do review of Tesla, SPY, NQ. I'm going to talk about the game-changing swing trade that I took, and it was probably the best for the amount of time held. It was the best swing trade I ever did take. So I'm going to show you guys that step by step, walk you through everything, and get you ready for another fun-filled week of day trading and swing trading. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. Hit me with a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear. There will also be a lifetime Discord giveaway at the end of the stream, so make sure you tuned in. I hope you guys have been commenting. I hope you guys have been subscribing because I'm giving away a lot, including next Sunday. I'll be giving away $50 cash money to anybody that is a part of the Trading Wars army. So anyone like Anthony, Bill, Wesley, anybody with the green in their name is eligible for the $50 cash giveaway. I do that every month to give back some of my gains to the community, okay? And it's only $4.99 to join the Trading Wars army with exclusive picks and content. Hit the join button, guys, and you have a chance to win 50 bucks. Pretty good. All right, let's get into it. Boom. Okay, my friends. So the small account challenge on NQ is done. So I've taken one simple micro contract here, guys, and I'm up $2,600 on this contract. So I bought this contract right over here on the 618 level, and I wrote it into new all-time highs. And I called this one live on the YouTube, okay? So I'm not sure how many of you played this challenge with me. Hit me with the 17 if you did this challenge with me. But just with one micro contract doubling the small account challenge. Okay. And I only give those once in a lifetime setups when I really feel that it is. And in this case, this pullback that we had before going into the new all-time highs could be a pullback, a level that we never see again in our lifetimes. That's possible. So that's why I hit these hard. Okay. I really try to hit these hard. So let me talk about the margin requirements for futures because people always ask me that question. So I'm here on Interactive Brokers. Full guide will be below in the link. I use Interactive Brokers to trade futures contracts. So this is MNQ in the CME, the Chicago Trading Exchange. So to hold one micro contract, you need to have $1,481.71 intraday on your account. Okay. Overnight, because there's more risk involved, you need to have about 21,116 in your account. So the way that futures works, it's based on a minimum capital requirement. Okay. So in this case, by holding one contract, roughly need, let's say, $2,200 and already at $2,600 on that one contract. So that's a double. Okay. So that's a double up, my friends. So at this point here, I'm just going to run with this one and keep it as long as I can. But just stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and ready for the new challenges that do come up. Because these ones that when they come up, guys, they can hit hard. So let me walk you through the setup again if you haven't been following along. So what we did here, guys, is we took our Fibonacci from this gap right here. So here was this gap on the chart for NQ. We went from the low to the high like this. Okay. And let me just bring this over. So I bought on the 618 level, and obviously I did not get the absolute bottom, and you're never going to get the absolute bottom. If I wasn't doing a small account challenge, I would have actually added a little bit more here on the 786. But since I only wanted to do one contract, I was already in the one contract on the 618. But you could see we tagged that 786. We put in an inside bar pause, and then that was it, guys. It ripped basically from the 30th of October, less than a month. Okay, this right here, guys, this run, so 12% run on the NQ in less than 30 days is unheard of. Okay, you could see the chart. Look at this. This is vertical. Okay, this is crazy. So there might be a little bit of a pause going into the end of the year, but I do definitely see there. You could obviously see right here the bears are trying to battle for this double top. But with this power on the bulls, for the rest of this move, okay, so for the rest of all of this move right here, as long as there's no crazy news, no war news, no new COVID news, stuff like that, this leg will be defended by bulls. It will be defended because this right here, to move the market in less than 30 days by 12%, okay, it's not me or you that's doing that. It's not retail. There's more involved. There's more institutions. There's more algorithms, robots that rode this wave. Okay. And we can even see right here in the middle of it, we had the shorts trying to short at these previous highs up here. You could see right here. And then we put in this Ragnarok outside, inside. So this is the Holy Grail ending with the yellow highlight. Boom, break above, bang, it was gone. Okay. So this right here is such a critical move in the market. And I'm just happy that I got 80% of the move. All right. I didn't get 100% of it, but I'm happy that I said I was going to do something and I did it. Okay. Hit me with the 12 if that makes sense. So the next big opportunity that comes up, I'll let you guys know. But obviously, my style of trading, I will not be buying up here. Okay. I will not be for my long-term play. I will not be buying up here. I will absolutely not be. I want to see some type of pullback. Okay. Even if it's a pullback, if I just take this last big bull bar right here, if I see that, even if it's back down to this level right here, 15,799, right around here, then I could be interested. But I'm not interested otherwise because, it's extended. All right. And when it's extended, you just ride your winner, you ride your runner, but you don't add more exposure because getting in at the top is always the most dangerous thing to do. Okay. All right. Let's go on. So ES. All right. So surprisingly or not surprisingly, we opened on Sunday right here, my friends, and we have a pretty, it's not a lot, but it's 11 points trending to the downside right now. So here we opened at Sunday right here. So this is our open right here, and we've been selling off, which is interesting. Let's take a Fibonacci from low to high right here. So no deep pullbacks. So this is very interesting that we are selling off 11 points. So what's the game plan now with this setup here? What's the game plan? So this is what I'm doing right now is coming into last week, we have this Fibonacci pullback. I will take the Fibonacci from this low to high like this, and you'll see it was the halfway back, 50%, or we can come from this low to this high, and you can see again right on that 50% anchor. Okay, so this one is pretty crazily accurate. So let's go ahead here. Let's double click. Let's put the basic on here, and let's add the 50, and let's mark this one up. Okay, so this low was 4501.75. That's right. And this high was 4571. So let's bring this down 2 ticks. 4571. Okay. So let's go ahead and leave that. So the 50% Fibonacci retracement was 4536.50. The low of this one on Tuesday was 4536.75. So 1 tick. So this right here is the valid leg that's playing out. Let's double click now and let's put on the full extensions. And we can see that we got about a 10% new high, which is a danger high. 10% new high is right here, guys. This is a lot of breakout traders getting caught. Okay, so the 10% is not Fibonacci level, but it's something that I basically developed over time. And that 10% is not a good sign because it means that you could see right here, look at this wick, a lot of short sellers and a lot of people got trapped trying to buy the highs because they're getting greedy. They're starting to get greedy now, guys. Let's take a Fibonacci off of that high and bring it down to the low. Okay, and let's pull this across here, and we see the 618 area multiple times being rejected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16 times being rejected on that 618 and finally rolling over. Okay, so there is, a trap there for sure. But what I'll be focusing on here, guys, is the bigger money. I'm going to go ahead and move my anchor up to this high. Okay, and that high is 45.80.50. Double click on that. Bang, bang, bang. And I will be looking here, guys, especially on the 618 right here, 45.32 to be my dip buying opportunity for this week. And that actually will complete the Fibonacci dragon pattern. So let's go ahead and draw this up together. So we go here, bang, 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 right there, guys. That's a beauty. Hit me with a 10. That's amazing. So there is the wings of the dragon right there completing. Let's go ahead and let's draw in the rest of the dragon here. So here we go. Where's my tools? right here. So here's the arrow. We'll draw the body, okay? And this is what we'll do now. We'll double click on this and we will add the full, and we will look for the 100% extension. So what's going to happen here is on the 618 extension, this is going to be the baseline for the mouth of the dragon, and the 100% extension is going to be the head. And here is the completion right here, my friends. So these are some things I'm working on, some crazy patterns right here. It's actually pretty crazy. So let's go ahead and put a thumbs up right here. Okay. So the way that this pattern in an ideal scenario will work is we come into the 618 here, and then we move back up to the head, which will be in the completion between the 618 and 100%. That would be great. And obviously on these targets over here, you will be going ahead to take partial targets and move the stop loss up. Okay. So now let's scrap that and let's look at the bear. This is what the bear is doing right now. So the bear is already here to play. So we have right here, boom. So right on that 618. So the bear is taking that wick. They want that to be the high for a very long time. Here's a pullback to the 618, and they're looking for the completion from this 272, right? Let me go ahead and draw that. Let's get the box. 272 to the 618 area. That's where this short wants to complete. And what I really like about the completion of that short is it is exactly where I want to go long, which is right here. Boom. Look at that right there, guys. That is the kill zone right there. Okay. So 45.40 right here, guys. This is lining up with multiple factors in there. That's a beauty, absolute beauty. Hit me with the 17 if you guys see that. So I'm looking there at least for some type of bounce. If we continue to sell off, we definitely don't need to continue to sell off, but I want to be prepared for the week. Okay, so that's the game plan. And as always, in the Discord under Dragon Spy Lottos, I'm gonna post the lotto plays that I need for the options. The last option plays we went for 300+%, and I'm also going to be drawing the futures here on right here for you guys. I'll draw this up for you guys, okay, and I'll let you guys know when I get filled. So we need to pay attention this week because, you know, all the easy money is done. Everybody's in euphoria. Everybody's so excited, blah, blah, blah. This is when people can get hurt in the market because it's already been up 12% in the last 30 days. So what are you expecting? Another 12% in 30 days? We need to be realistic and we need to understand the mathematics. That's why the people that get paid the most are the ones like us that take when the market was here. I'm going to just hit the replay. When the market was here, guys, and everyone was saying that the market's going to crash, we took the courage. We had the courage to buy. And that's when you get that reward. Okay. But now everybody's thinking that it's time to buy. So you always have to be one step ahead. All right. That's very important for me. Hit me with 13 if that makes sense. Okay. And then the last thing I wanted to update you guys on is Tesla. Okay. So Tesla. So my first call out on Tesla was to buy at 255. So you could see it made a low to 194.07. So 255 was this 50% retracement, had a really great bounce from there. One thing I noticed on Tesla, though, that I've been tracking is its lack of continuity to the upside. Instead, it's been consolidating while the market has been ripping. And we've actually put in this holy grail pattern, which is outside inside bar. The last one we had was in July 28th. And this is pretty crazy because the last one was a major sell-off here. So I'm really interested to see how this is going to play out. And I actually have a free setup on the Twitter. Okay, so follow the Twitter. I also have the full spreadsheet under the stocks right here with all the setups. And I also posted it for the Trading Wars Army. So let me just show you guys how to get that if you are an Army member for the $4.99. All right, here we go. So if you are a member, all you have to do is go to community and then you will see the plays and the spreadsheet. Okay. And if you want to join, guys, hit the join button. $4.99. Like I said, $50 giveaway next Sunday. So, hey, you $5, you get a chance to win 50. It's not bad. It's not bad. Two different call prices on Tesla. Yes. So there's two triggers here. One is the outside bar, which will be more for a swing trade. And then the other one is the inside bar. So there's two options here. The inside bar one is more aggressive. It could be for a quick day trade. And the outside bar one is more bigger picture. All right. Thank you, Anthony. Do you like the inside bar on AMD daily? Yes, sir. That is one of my picks I posted right here, brother. AMD, ready for AMD tomorrow as well. Let's take a look at that. Yep, really nice, tight. You see that one there, guys? And the last one I posted on AMD was this inside bar here, and you can see that beautiful reaction right after that. All right. Okay. So that's pretty much it. I also want to talk about. So I'm gonna announce the lifetime Discord giveaway winner in 1 second. Let me just say a few things. So this is the goal, and I did a actual seminar on Twitter Spaces, and I wanted to share it with you guys in case you missed it. So basically, this is what the plan is here. So I'm just gonna go here, and I'm gonna write this down for you guys. Okay. So this is the plan for 2024. Okay. So we're gonna do 100 Fibonacci trades. Okay, and you can follow me in the Discord or on the YouTube. So make sure you subscribe. We're gonna do 100 Fibonacci trades. We're gonna go for a minimum 2-to-1 risk to reward. In that case, we need to win minimum 34. Well, not minimum, but 34 out of 100 trades will give us break even. Okay, so we're trying to win 35 trades next year. Out of the 100 Fibonacci trades. Okay. And what we're going to do is with the swing Fibonacci, we are going to aggressively trail stop loss. With the day trade, we will be more lenient. And I am going to risk probably $2,000 per trade. Okay. So the goal is 25R. That would be great. Times 2K will equal 50,000 in trading profits. That's the setup right there. Okay. So I'm putting out this open challenge to you, my friends. You don't have to follow. You don't have to be in the Discord. You don't have to do anything. Okay. You can just do this on your own. Right. And what I want you guys to do is listen to me. Okay. I challenge you right now. And if you want to take this challenge, it could change your life. You have limiting beliefs in your head. I had limiting beliefs in my head when I started this. These are the limiting beliefs. Listen very carefully. The stock market is a scam. The stock market is a gamble. I can't control what happens in the market. There are market makers. They're looking for my stop loss. All of these things are negative beliefs, limiting beliefs. Okay. And we've been told that many, many years of our life. All the social media people tell you that. But the truth is, there is a pocket of very rich traders. I know them personally. Okay. I'm not very, very rich trader. I'm not. That's why I'm still on the grind. Okay. But I'm a good trader, but I'm not the best that I could be. All right. There's a pocket of very, very rich traders. I'm talking about traders where they have to disclose how many contracts they buy to the government because they do so much size. Okay. I know those type of people, and they don't talk about it. You don't know who they are, and they don't give a shit about you. Okay, hit me with the two if that makes sense. But I am trying to take the principles of their success for myself. And while I'm doing it, share it with you guys. Okay, so this is what it is. You have to have the plan. If you don't have a plan, you ain't going to make any money. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. 100 Fibonacci trades. When you hit 100, you stop. If you hit 100 in one day, that's your fault. Okay, that means that means you're over trading. So you're going to do 100 trades. That should last you for the year. Okay, 100 Fibonacci trades. I want you to go for a minimum 2-to-1 risk to reward. And when I say minimum 2-to-1 risk to reward, it doesn't have to be like, if you're risking 2,000, you make 4,000. It doesn't have to be that. I'm talking about your average winner and your average loser on average. So you have to be able to calculate that. So let's say you have a small account. You risk $50 a trade, but you're not always going to lose $50 on a trade. Sometimes you're going to lose $25 on a trade. Sometimes you're going to go break even. Sometimes you're going to lose $10. But on average, okay, so I have a formula that I use, but it's basically this. Your average loser and your average winner. Your average winner needs to be doubled, whatever your loser is, okay? So if you're getting to break even, that's considered a loser. but it's not, it's going to help your risk to reward. Okay. Because it's basically a scratch trade. So 34 out of 100, I want you to win 35 trades next year. For the swing Fibonacci, like I said, like these ones that we just talked about, I'm going to do aggressive trailing stop loss because it's on the hourly chart. So when I, like I'll give you guys a few examples of this. I'll give you an example of like when I move my stop loss. So here's a trade that I took. Okay. And I remember it exactly. So this was a dragon. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Right there. So we take that Fibonacci from low to high right there. Okay. So I took this trade right here. Was it this one or this one? Yes. So I ended up getting filled here. Okay. So these are 3 red candles. And when this candle popped up here, it was green. And when that happened, I moved my stop loss to below that bar. So then the next candle went through, broke through all the stop losses. So instead of losing $1,500, I lose like $800. So now all of a sudden my risk to reward is increased because I'm not actually losing the full amount. Okay. And then there's times where I go to break even. Let me see if I can find one here for you guys. So like this one. Okay. So this is another one. Here's another dragon that I took. Boom, 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 bang, right there. Okay. So here we go. Low to high. There's a 618 right there. So if we take this trade here, when we get up to this point, it has to be at least break even. Okay. And obviously you can trim, take profits, et cetera, whatever you want to do, but you got to be at least break even because this can happen right after. So then on this trade, at the very least, you have break even. Okay. So hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. So that's what I mean by managing the trade aggressively. All right. And with the day trading, though, it's going to be a little bit more lenient and it's going to, because it's on the 5-minute chart. Okay. So that's the goal right there. That's the game plan. If you guys want more details, I can write a plan specifically step by step and I can publish it and I can send it to you guys. If you're interested, just comment below. Let me know if you're interested and hit the subscribe button. Okay. But that's it. 100 trades. I'm telling you, for 1 year, can you do 100 trades? And you have to have a set risk per each trade. Okay, so just write this down. So you see how mine is, I'm going to risk 2,000 per trade. This is what you guys do. Okay, because I trade with you guys, so I know exactly what you do because I used to do it myself. So you win 1 or 2 trades and you're doing great. And then all of a sudden now, instead of risking 2,000, you're risking 10K. Because why? Because you're Nostradamus. You know everything now, right? You know everything. Or the person you're following on Twitter knows everything now. So you won 1 trade, you won 2 trade, you're the man. Okay, I know I'm supposed to risk 2,000 per trade. I know I'm supposed to risk $50 per trade. I don't care. I'm going for 10K because I'm the GOAT. And then you lose that trade. So you lost all the gains that you made over the last 6 months or 2 months or 3 months. And then you double down because you say, hey, you know what? I'm too deep now, guys. I'm already down. I'm already negative. I'm just going to buy more because the market's going to go up. And then that one time that it doesn't, you blow up your account. Hit me with 11 if that sounds familiar. All right. But this is a business. It's a complete business. It's a complete science. There's nothing magical or nothing mystical. What's magical is having the courage and the discipline to follow your rules. If you could do that in anything in life, you will succeed. Doesn't matter what it is. The people with the courage and the discipline are the ones that succeed. And I'm giving you everything you need to know. I don't care what you want to trade. You can trade RSI, you can trade MACD, you can trade DMAC, you can trade McDonald's, whatever you want to trade, guys. The principle will always be the same. Is your average winner eclipsing your loser? Yes or no? And if I'm happy, you can do whatever you want. If you're making money, I'm happy. But if you're not following those principles, eventually it's going to catch up to you. Okay. And that's why it's so important to be a part of a community. It's so important to be in touch with each other. Like you guys know, me and my brother, we trade, me and my brother. So I always have somebody that I bounce things off because when I'm going crazy, when I'm getting emotional, when I'm chasing, when I get too cocky, somebody to bring you back in. That's what the point of a community is. That's why we have the Fibonacci Society. Okay. So we comment on each other's trades, blah, blah, blah. We have a lounge, we chat, we talk. If you need that, we're here. Look, this brother right here is posting setups right now. What do you think? You saw I'm gonna see. So let's look at this right here. I think this is exactly what we were just talking about on stream. So this is on NQ. So you see what I'm saying, guys? So let's get that reply right here. Looks good. Okay. All right, guys. So that's it. We're going into the end of the year. We need to finish strong. Um, it's been a great run with the swing trades. Day trading has been a little bit harder because a lot of the moves are happening overnight, and that's just the nature of the beast. That's why I'm gonna have a day trading system and a swing trading system both running at the same time. Okay, 100 trades. That's the goal. All right, guys, and here we go. Before I announce the lifetime winner, let me just show you guys this deal that I have going on. If anyone's interested, bang, bang, bang. All right, so here we go, guys. So this is my Black Friday sale. So normally with my bundle, so this is my bundle deal, you'll get all three of my books and you get 4 months in the Discord. So right here. So what we're doing for the Black Friday sale for the next 24 hours, if you guys are interested, if you're not interested, don't worry, okay? But I'm just gonna put it out there for anyone that's interested. So instead of getting 4 months in the Discord, you're gonna get 12 months. So you're gonna get a full year, and instead of 3 books, you're gonna get 4 books. You're gonna get the new Fibonacci Society book, and the Fibonacci Society book is gonna come with lifetime. So you're gonna have lifetime to the swing room, and you're going to have 1 year in the SPY live alert room, which is basically day trading, but you'll have lifetime for the swing. You'll have a one-on-one session with me, 100 trade challenge, live Fibonacci trading every single day, and the price is going to be $7.99. It says for 4 months here, but all of that I'll fix on the back end. But you should, if you're interested, just purchase through the website right here. Okay. So I think that's a really great deal. That'll set you up for the whole year next year. Okay. So you'll be good for the whole year next year. And then I'll throw in another month then. So I'll do 13 months. Okay. So you'll be good all the way till the end of next year for the 100 trades. If you want it, it's there. It's ready to rock. Okay. Basically, all the books has all the information. It has my real trades, has lifetime to the swing, and the 1 year, 13 months to the Discord, if that's what you want. Okay. It's a good plan, in my opinion. And we go live every day, guys. People always ask me, like, why don't you just do it for free? Why don't you do? I'm doing this is my journey. It's not easy, guys. You know how much stress it is to try to get a winner for your Discord every single day. Especially when you lose, it's extremely demotivating because it's not you. You're not the reason you're losing. Your setup might be losing. It's just the way the market is. The market could be choppy. The market could be in a range for a month, and it's going to be very hard to make money in that range environment. But it is every single day. I've missed 2 days in 2 years. I missed only 2 days in 2 years. It's just community, it's love, it's commitment, it's seeing everybody grow, it's calling out things live. It's just that live, it's like live TV. It's like live TV. You know what I mean? And then you have that Fibonacci, you have the bot, filled long, target hit, bang, bang. Like it's just, I feel like one day I should just try to create like a TV show, like trading the markets TV show with Fibonacci and have some guests on there and we can sit down and look at Fibonacci's. We could take the trades and we could just do it, and just go through it and feel the emotion and the power of trading and the liberty of trading and try to get better. You know what I mean, guys? I would love to do that one day. So that's something that I'm thinking about maybe in the future. And maybe I'll do a daily show, guys, the Tonight Show with Trading Wars. You know what I mean? And take real trades. Enough of the chatting, guys. Like what everybody says, I took $1 to 1 million and all that. Guys, don't get scammed with that shit. Trust me. All right, I'm out. The winner of the lifetime giveaway is Miss Alicia Jackson. You are the winner. Alicia, thank you so much for all your support. She commented on the post here. Don't worry if you missed it. I'm going to do another one next week, lifetime giveaway, and $50 cash money for Trading Wars Army. Okay? So don't feel discouraged. Alicia Jackson, let's send some love to Alicia. TW Army Spy VIP. Bang. Okay, where are you? Are you in this chat, Alicia? There we go. Here you go, Alicia. Congratulations, my friend. You are the winner. And we'll see you guys next time. Okay, so I am flying for 3 or 4 hours tomorrow. And so I'm going to get the day trading done and try to make a video for you guys if I can. Okay. Thanks so much. Comment if you want that blueprint for trading, that blueprint for success. Leave a comment. Okay. And I will try to create like a PDF document. I'll put it on the website so you can download it for free. Thanks so much. Take care.